What up, everyone? So I want to do a video today on a sweet snack alternative that's a little bit healthier for you than ice cream or chips or whatnot. So if you're like me and you like food, and you're at night or during the day looking for that healthy alternative, I got that just in store for you. So we'll be going to my kitchen and we'll be making a mug cake. I prefer chocolate, but we'll go over the ingredients. It takes like 2 minutes to make and it tastes delicious. So I hope you enjoy it. You try it out and let me know what you think. Later. What up, everyone? As promised, we are in the Rodman kitchen and I'm going to be showing you my favorite go-to for a healthier snack, the mug pie. First ingredient, 1 scoop of protein. Then we use a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking cocoa, a 1/4 cup of egg whites, 2 tablespoons of milk. You can use almond milk, whatever you prefer. And then I also spray the bowl with avocado oil, or you can use a pan. It just helps with the non-stick. Basically, all you do is you put all the ingredients in there and you mix it up like so, just like that. And then we pop it in the microwave. I put mine in for a minute. It depends on the power of your microwave, so it might be a minute and a half. So it's kind of something you gotta learn. I also know that depending on the protein you use, consistency could be a little bit different. So you might have to play around with it a little bit. I use chocolate. My wife uses the vanilla from Axe Sledge. If you do use Axe Sledge, you can go on their website and order it. Use code RODMAN10 at checkout and you get 10% off. But really, you can use whatever protein you feel like you like or have. It won't really matter. You just have to play around with the consistency on it. You can also add a 1/4 like mashed up banana, cinnamon if you want. Make it your own. There's different recipes out there, so this is just my favorite. Calories on it is right around 200 calories for this one. 14 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, and 32 grams of protein. So, like I said, it's a pretty healthy alternative to the candy bar or the chips or whatnot. That being said, let's take a look to see how it came out. Oh yeah, perfect. And what I like to do is I just flip it up, flip it down. Not probably gonna come out. And there we go. All right, I'm gonna let this cool off, but basically that's it, guys. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know what you think. I hope you like it, and I hope you use it. Like I said, it's a pretty good healthy alternative. Later.